No to insecurity. No to unemployment. No to ASU strike. We must move forward. We must move forward. We don't want shishi. We don't want we don't want money. We are concerned with the future of our children. We are making this sacrifice for our children. This is Obidients movement. And we believe. Obidients we believe. We are the structure.
We have money. We are organic billionaires. But we don't.
Now the simple truth is that we know they give shishi. It's simply because we don't encourage corruption. Do you understand? We do the right thing. We know the tradition. We pray to marry our wife. We do the. We take responsibility, and that's what we stand for.
Okay. Now, what can you tell other youths at the northern part of this country?
In northern part of this country, they have been the worst hit. As far as Nigeria is concerned, the north has been the worst hit. Even though north has been in power since Nigeria got independence, but they are selfish. They are wicked. They are heartless. They don't care for this nation. So the northern youth should also be obedient, and so that they will be useful. They should know where we're going to. What we're crying for is just like what our forefathers Nnamdi Azikiwe were crying for, but they never understood. But this time Nigeria is awake, and everybody must stand up to this clarion call. No more agbadu, no more cassava, no more stealing, no more impunity. Nigeria must move forward, and we must go ahead. That's what we're saying. This is a new Nigeria. It's a new dawn, and everybody, we're calling on everybody. We are obedient. No more selling of votes. They should go and announce it to them. No Nigerian youth can be bought over this time around. We can't be bought over this time around.
We want to make it clear. That is important.
Your name, sir?
My name is Chris, and I'm obedient. We want to make it clear to the Nigerian government that a man whose name is questionable can rule us. A man whose certificate is questionable can rule us. A man whose name is questionable can rule us. A man whose identity is questionable cannot rule us. And we need a fresh section of people. Nigerian government, Nigerian youths are ready.
You can look at the world. This is world. We cannot say 200 million. We cannot say them. Other than that, we have no patience. We are using upon ourselves to make sure that our country is back to us. Even the OB, he can see us. We don't know where he is. We don't even know him. Being on the caliber his people see he is. He's a competent man. He's transparent, accountability, and well-corrected Nigeria citizen. That is why we are following him today.
Obedient wives, they pay them, but we are not the obedient wives. We are the obedient Nigeria. We are the structure. We are not after their one naira.
How much were you paid before you came here today?
Well, I did not pay anything, but I love Peter Obi because our great help president now in future life in our youth. It will make things to be very nice and plain and understand. We need that the one that we need to speak that we don't understand.
Money.